That body's a blessing, girl. I ain't tryna pressure her. She messed with the temperature. Hard wrote this.
Hey guys, welcome back, and today we got something special which all the photographers and videographers should need to keep the camera clean. Let me take it. Yes, this is Gizga hair blower pump for cameras, and you can also use this for binoculars, camcord and something else. This is the back side of the cover. And the air blower looks good, and the color on this is good. Okay, let's unbox it and take this out. And here comes the air blower, guys. Wow, it feels good. The rubber quality is good. This is the air inlet, and guys, this is the air inlet down here. The plastic made is also good. Let's keep this side. This is the air blower itself. The rubber quality is good, guys. It's made of, wow. The air comes out from this is very powerful. I think with this I can also clean my specs here. See, my specs is clean. We can also clean our cameras like this, digital cameras. Guys, the build quality and the rubber quality of this air blower is good. It looks premium. I think this is the best air blower in the market for cheap price. Thanks for Gizga for making this with the great rubber and plastic. If you would like to purchase this, I will leave the link down below in the description. Please go and check it out. Guys, the air from this is very powerful. Yes. You can place it as like this so that it will not roll down. And also you can place like this, it will not roll. There is the lines on this so that this will not roll down easily. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment down below if you have any suggestions so that I can improve, and please don't forget to subscribe for the channel. See you guys on another video. Bye.